Are you ready to give your brain a workout? One of the best ways to boost your brain power is to stress your brain with intense mental exercise, kind of like you might work out a muscle. When you do this, it stimulates your brain to reorganize, strengthen, and even add neural connections. This gives you faster, more efficient brain processing skills, and it doesn't matter how old you are. Whether you're 5 or 105, your brain has this ability. It's called neuroplasticity, to rewire neural pathways and create new ones. At our LearningRx brain training centers, our trainers work one-on-one with clients of all ages. It's personal fitness coaching for your brain. The exercises that we do stimulate your brain to change and literally become faster and smarter. You want to try one of our exercises? Come on, it's going to be fun. Look at these words. The color of ink is different than what the words say, and here's why. When you see the word green spelled with blue ink, it makes your brain do a double take, and that's perfect for brain training. Try this. Try to keep a steady tempo and read out loud. Read the words that are printed no matter what the color of ink is. Like this: green, blue, red, yellow, blue, black, yellow, red, yellow, green, yellow, red. Now it's your turn. Do it just like I did, but see if you can go through all 7 lines in the next 25 seconds. Ready? Go. The longer you do this in a single sitting without taking a break, the harder it gets. But don't stop just because it feels hard or frustrating. Just like lifting weights stimulates your muscles to beef up, stressing your mental skills will stimulate your brain to reorganize and grow so that it can handle the task better next time. Now we're going to make it a little bit more challenging. I want you to read the words on beat. We use a metronome at LearningRx, and I'm going to turn mine on. Here goes. See if you can read a word on each beat like this: green, blue, red, yellow, blue. Ready? Go. The third exercise is to say the color of the ink instead of reading the words. Remember, keep it steady like this: blue, yellow, black, blue, black, blue, green, black, blue, red, red, green. Are you ready? Keep it steady. If you make a mistake, start over from the beginning. And if you're struggling to get through all 7 lines, rewind the video and practice a bit. It may take you several tries, but you can do it, I promise. You should feel your brain fatigue a little, just like your muscles get tired when you lift weights, but keep at it until you can do all 7 lines. Ready? Go. Great job! This time I'm going to speed up the metronome just a bit. Ready? Go. Aren't you proud of yourself? Could you feel your brain working? See what you can do now that you couldn't imagine your brain doing 5 minutes ago when we started. And that's just the beginning. You did all that being prompted by a video. Imagine what kind of results you would get working face-to-face with a personal trainer who really knows how to push your brain beyond where you think it can go. In fact, there are lots of levels of this exercise that our trainers can get you to, like switching between reading any word printed in, say, black or green, and saying the color of any word printed in blue or yellow. And this is just one exercise. Our trainers have literally hundreds of exercises and levels to choose from as they work with you to give you a faster, smarter, more efficient brain. One-on-one brain training helps struggling students, straight A students, career adults and executives, busy moms and dads, athletes, senior adults, kids and adults with autism, ADHD, dyslexia, traumatic brain injuries, and strokes. In other words, brain training can help anyone who wants to think faster, learn easier, read better, improve focus and concentration, or have a sharper memory. For other tips to increase brain power, visit our website at learningrx.com or find us on Facebook for daily tips, news, and even recipes for a healthier, happier brain.